Hey guys, Ed up here. Today we're checking out the Archer 2AC from THRUNITE. Inside the box you get the light itself, a user's guide, a USB-C charging cable, and a bag with some extra parts and pieces. So let's take this thing outside and see what it can do. It is so dark 30 and we are outside. We have our light here on its Firefly mode, lighting up our cheat sheet real nice. I can see it a couple feet into the yard here, but not much further after that. Let's put it on to low. There's low out in the yard, off of the pump house, and almost reaches those trees at the end of the grass. Let's put it on to medium. Now we got some light. Off of the pump house. Those trees at the end of the grass there, that's 100 feet away. And I can even make it off the fence line there at the end of the driveway. That's 150 feet away. Let's put it on to high. That's nice and bright. Off of the pump house. Those trees at the end of the grass. End of the fence line. And those trees across the road there, 200 feet away. This does have a strobe, so here's your warning. And back to high. Operation of this light is pretty simple. We have one button on the back here to turn light on and off, and one button right here to control all of the modes. Let's go ahead and turn it on, and we're going to turn it on to Firefly. Firefly is 0.3 lumens, and it will shine there for 27 days. If we click this button, we will get to low. Low is 20 lumens. It'll last there for 37 hours. Click it again. We'll get to medium. That is 213 lumens. It'll last there for 5 hours and 34 minutes. We also have high. High is 1018 lumens. It'll last there for 30 seconds and then step down to 519 lumens for an additional 128 minutes. This light also has a strobe, so here's your warning. Hold down this button, and we get the strobe. Strobe is 1000 lumens, and it'll last there for 120 minutes. This light does have a momentary on by half pressing the button in the back. This light is powered by a 1600 milliamp hour, 1000 3.7 volt lithium-ion battery. This battery is the same size as two AA batteries. This battery has a USB-C charging port on it, so we're going to take our charger and plug it in, and you can see that it is now charging. When it's charging, the light will be red, and when it's done charging, the light will be green. If you need to use the flashlight while the battery is still charging, you can put in two AA batteries, and then the light will still work. It has a smooth reflector to give you that nice focused beam. It is impact resistant for 1.5 meters and has an IPX8 waterproof rating down to 2 meters. This would be a good light for a junk drawer or the glove box of a small car, but something's been pulling me to put this in one of my first aid kits. So I think that's where it's going to live. Well, that's all I have for this video. Bang around that bell icon if you want to be notified when new videos come out. Call us on the hotline if you have comments or questions and want to be featured in an upcoming video. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Check us out on the website, and we'll see you guys on the next one.